HVAC people. Monday, grind time. Gonna hit them hard this week. Give me about 60, 70 hours this week. Got a couple of jobs I need to do. Probably gonna be working 10, 12-hour days, 7 days a week. But I am finna go in this part store, the part house. Got a couple things I need to pick up. Working on a heat pump system. So need a filter drive for it. I ain't got that by heat pump on filter on my truck. I don't really keep it stocked. So let me see if I can go inside here. We can get us some footage. Show you the inside of a part house. One of my favorites, Johnson Supply. I don't know if they're gonna notice the camera, but we're gonna go in anyways. Get as much footage as we can. Yeah, it's grind time Monday. I'm on it this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Grinding hard. What's up, Bob, man?
What's that, a GoPro or something?
Oh, I ain't know you noticed.
What you be recording stuff?
Yeah, making YouTube videos.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
You got a channel?
You got a channel? What's your channel?
Lifestyle Unlimited.
Lifestyle Unlimited.
Yeah, I got about 100-something videos just on HVAC.
That's what's
yeah,
up.
yeah, look me up.
I be on YouTube a lot.
Oh yeah? Yeah.
What you say it was?
On that picture right there? Oh, Lifestyle Unlimited.
Lifestyle, all one word?
Yeah. Yeah, when I first started out, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos to help me out.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's what I do too.
Yeah, it's a lot of information on
I'll
it.
look up YouTube videos on how to do oil change.
Yeah, anything you want. Hey, look, I was gutting the bass last night.
Oh yeah?
That was my first time catching one, right? Hey, right on YouTube, man. Gutted them. Ripped them out of there. Yeah. I'm looking for this filter drive. All right, right here they got the filter section, TXV, core drive. Liquid sight glasses. Yeah, they ain't tripping, so I'm gonna do a little tour. Got all your gauges. All your gauges set up. And the good thing about Johnson though, every $100 you spend, they give you a $10 punch card. And you get 10 of them punch cards, you get a discount. It'd be like $10 off. So if you want to get you some gauges, these right here be like $100, $120 with the card. $10 off. So I mean your company gonna be paying for it every 100 you spend. Just get that punch card. Got your hoses, big thick vacuum hoses. Yeah. All right. Got your Snoop, bubbles, mineral oil. So you got all your wine, all your little tool gadgets, and these right here for water filters. Got your water filters for your ice machine. These right here for the refill of canisters. Got the whole set of Mitsubishi mini split. Got all your little fitting that you need for your wine. Todd, say what's up to my YouTube viewers, man. They gonna want to know if you're hiring.
I wish they'd let me hire another one.
I heard that. Got a comparison. Say they need one more, fella. Ladies, got your fuses. They keep everything here. Anything you need. As far as HVAC goes, just about anyway. Got your tape. This for your duct work. I think that's a putty. Got a bunch of screws. That's putty for duct work. Got more tape. Got all your copper fitting. All your copper. Anything you need, they got it. Just about. PVC. Got your glue, cement glue. It's all your wire, pieces for like O6D compressors. Come in this section right here. Got your water hose, clean your coils with. Yeah. So they got everything you need though. Got your blower wheel. Yeah. Got your mat for your condensers. High pressure switches, pumps. All your tanks. Got your digital gauges. Field piece. I got one of these. I want to get the little small one. Fluke. That's me, that Fluke. Alright, HVAC people, we out. Don't make these orders and get in grind mode. Go put this compressor in today.